When we're performing our inspections, the biggest challenge is getting close enough to the turbines to detect any damage or defect that could impact their performance or efficiency. Most UAVs are fitted with a wide-angle lens. This requires us to get as close as 1 meter to perform a thorough inspection. With the Zenmuse Z30, we're able to maintain a safe distance and still see everything with incredible detail, even numbers and letters on the equipment. With 30 times optical zoom, we rarely have to fly any closer than 20 to 30 meters from the turbine. When working with a client, ease of use is extremely important. Intelligent features like tap zoom allow us to be quick and accurate with very little effort. You simply find your subject, tap on the screen, and the camera zooms right in for you so you can focus on getting the shot and working with your client. In any inspection scenario, burst mode comes in really handy for capturing images. I really like using it in conjunction with waypoints. This way we can set a mission, let the aircraft do the flying, and then we can take a burst of 3 or 5 photos. That way, we don't miss a thing. I can ensure that the clients get all the materials they need and more. Zenmuse Z30 is a huge step forward for industrial users. The long-range imaging allows us to do everything we need to do safer, easier, and more effective.